Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can activate the clipboard on this device's keyboard. So in order to do that, just open up the keyboard anywhere. I'll use the Google search bar for it. And here just look for this icon which is responsible for the clipboard. Tap on it, enable the switch, and here you have the active keyboard clipboard. You can manage its filling just by checking it and deleting, or you can also add some elements to it. Let me show you how. Just type some word, select it, copy, and when you will enter the clipboard, you'll see that this word is successfully saved to it. So in order to paste it, just tap on it. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.